The rapid development of UAVs has promoted productivity revolution. They are widely used in numerous industries such as aerophotography, agricultural drone operation, surveying and mapping, UAS inspection, public safety, etc. The demand for professionals in drone technology applications in industries is rapidly growing. In order to meet the growing demand for talent, DJI Innovations established UTC and DJI Academy in 2016. DJI Academy applies UTC standard focused on UAS application skills, focusing on the 1+X curriculum theory. On the basis of safe operation, we provide one-stop services including training, examination, certification, and employment for individuals, enterprises, and institutions to improve their production efficiency. Currently, we can provide UAS pilot training in 6 major application courses, including aerial photography, agricultural drone operation, surveying and mapping, UAS inspection, public safety, and SDK development. Students can learn UAS knowledge through the online platform, through simulators, and through offline person-to-person teaching. DJI Academy established a systematic UAS training system to provide professional training services for government agencies, enterprises, and end users. We have launched more than 200 training centers around the world with more than 1,500 professional instructors. 70,000 students become professional pilots here. Where passion becomes profession. DJI Academy.